Today, we are exploring one of the most important microcontrollers in modern embedded systems, the ESP2, and why it has become a preferred choice for engineering students, researchers, and product developers. When selecting a microcontroller, the decision usually depends on processing power, connectivity, peripheral support, energy efficiency, and cost. This is exactly where the ESP32 stands out. The ESP32, developed by Espressif Systems, is a powerful 32-bit microcontroller featuring dual-core processing, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Unlike traditional development boards that often require external communication modules, the ESP32 integrates wireless communication directly into the chip. This makes it highly suitable for IoT, smart automation, wearable devices, and industrial monitoring systems. So, why should we choose ESP32? First, connectivity. Because wireless capability is often essential in modern embedded applications. Arduino Uno is a easy to get started board but lacks built in Wi Fi and Bluetooth and often requires additional modules. While Arduino has a 8-bit AVR microcontroller, ESP32 has a 32-bit dual-core processor. However, Arduino struggles with advanced real-time systems, wireless communication, and high-performance tasks. STM32, as compared to ESP32, has powerful processing but usually depends on external networking hardware unless specialized versions are used. STM32 boards often use ARM Cortex M processors and offer excellent industrial grade performance but can involve steeper learning curves. Setup, debugging, and ecosystem complexity can be more demanding for STM32 platforms. ESP32, with dual core processors up to 240 MHz, offers significantly more computational power than Arduino while remaining easier to develop on than many STM32 platforms. Cost efficiency is another advantage. Since ESP32 boards are generally inexpensive while offering far greater features, ESP32 sits in the middle ground, being more powerful than Arduino, easier for IoT than many STM32 options, and highly practical for modern engineering applications. Main features of ESP32 include dual-core CPU up to 248 MHz, integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, multiple GPIOs, ADC, DASC, and PWM interfaces. It also supports SPI, I2C, UART, low power modes, touch sensing, and security features like secure boot and flash encryption. These features make ESP32 suitable for robotics, smart agriculture, home automation, health monitoring, and edge AI projects. Now let us look at ESP32 variants and which might suit different needs. The original ESP32 is a balanced option for most applications. ESP32S2 offers improved security and USB support but lacks Bluetooth. ESP32S3 adds AI vector instructions and better USB support, making it excellent for machine learning and advanced interfaces. ESP32C3 is based on RISC-V architecture, lower cost and optimized for simple IoT with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low energy. ESP32C6 introduces Wi-Fi 6 for future-ready communication. ESP32H2 focuses on low-power protocols like Zigbee and Thread for smart home ecosystems. So how do you choose between these variants depending on your project goals? For beginners and general projects, choose the ESP32 DevKit V1. For IoT and connected devices, choose ESP32 or ESP32C3. For AI, voice, or computer vision projects, choose ESP32S3. For industrial grade networking and future proofing, choose ESP32C6. For low power smart home ecosystems, choose ESP32H2. In conclusion, ESP32 offers one of the best balances of performance, wireless capability, affordability, and scalability available today. Choosing the right microcontroller is not just about specifications, it is about selecting the platform that aligns with your project goals, future trends, and learning objectives. And for many modern applications, the ESP32 delivers that balance exceptionally well.